Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting cigar humidor cabinet from LIHTUN. This is a desktop cigar humidor glass top. So let's check this out. It has the glass top, so you can show off your expensive cigars there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a drawer. So this one has uniquely precision designed cigar cabinets. Look at this, perfectly cut, very soft cedar wood, and it fits perfectly all the cigars. Open design, so air is gonna flow through. It's gonna keep the moisture and the dryness perfectly with the humidifier. You can put it on the shelf like that. Perfect. They have a second cigar cabinet. You can put more cigars in here. It doesn't matter, you can put horizontal or vertical, it doesn't matter. This one comes with a side handle, so it's easy to carry on both sides. Precision electronic hygrometer. It's a natural cigar wood tray. On the bottom it has a rubber feet, so it's not gonna slip around. And this one has a foldable spring-loaded cabinet drawer, so you can put accessories here. This is a water spout. You can wet the cigar humidifier. It comes with 2 humidifiers here with those moisture packs, and place them either here, or here, anywhere you want. If you need the second one, you can wet this too and then put it on. This is 180 degrees, zero leakage, customized hinge, holds 9 cigars on top. The tempered glass windows on the front and the top, and when you close it, it comes with a beautiful brushed aluminum handle there. Looks very, very luxury and nice. So this humidifier is a new gel type 3-way humidifier. Releases moisture in 3 different directions, complete coverage, ensuring balance and humidity. The watch battery is here. So hygrometer activates right away. The temperature in Celsius and percentage of the humidity inside. Show off to your friends, a family member, whoever enjoys the cigar. Or you can make this into a great gift, so they can protect their cigars perfectly while showing this off. So check this product out. This is cigar humidor cabinet from LIHTUN. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.